much money your parents give you each week? I get 20,000 won each week. I will explain you about my use of money. First of all, I'll donate to Africa for poor people. My mom and dad donate money each week, so I follow them to donate. Also, if I donate money for people, I'm so happy, and I can feel it is a great way to use the money. Maybe African people will have pain because of pollution, water, and food shortage. I can't imagine the pain, so I want to help them. Even I want to come Korea with African people. Secondly, I have to buy my parents' birthday present. It is my father's birthday. I want to make my father happy of my present, and I know my father's favorite object. It is expensive and good sharp, so I can buy it with the allowance. I'm so happy and proud if I buy presents and give him. I think I'm helping my father for his work. In sum up, I can donate money and buy birthday presents. Also, I can buy snack, put money in bank act. I can do many things with my allowance. Thank you for listening.